Manually converting files one by one, creating folders from Excel, is time and energy wasting for teams dealing with repeated admin work or doc-heavy environments. This Python script automates both. It bulk converts Excel, Word, and image files into clean compiled PDFs, either as compiled as a whole document or file type based PDFs, for example, images to PDF. It also reads Excel tables with hierarchical columns like industry, company, team, etc., to then auto-generate folder hierarchies, like each company folder would have its team project CSV file within industry folder, etc. This is ideal for HR teams, operations, and project managers wanting to handle reports or organize client documentation. Saving hours of clicking and sorting, now teams can focus on value-added work, with this tool solving the problem and structure in seconds.